everyone, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Ziya and this is my YouTube channel where I do a little bit of everything, and today I'm going to show you how I do my nails with all this glitter. You see all the glitter? So a couple of weeks ago I was wearing this this nail polish. It is an LA Colors nail polish in the color Jewel Tone. I got it from the dollar store. It's not fancy, but I put it on and I got so many compliments on it. I got compliments from dudes at work, which was really weird because usually guys don't notice your nails. A lot of people want to know what nail polish I was wearing, and it is this one. It's LA Colors Color Craze nail polish. It has hardeners in it, which is also great, and it's in the color Jewel Tone. I think I said that already. It's an awesome nail polish. It's really pretty. It's purple glitter and it has little flecks of blue and turquoise in it. It's really gorgeous, and there's little flecks of red too. So there's a lot of different colors going on in here, and it's an absolutely beautiful color, kind of like a galaxy kind of thing. I love it. But today I was feeling this pink. I haven't worn it in a while, but this is definitely one of my favorite nail colors of life. It kind of reminds me of Sailor Moon, you know, when she's going through her transformation and she has the glittery pink nails. This is like more of a baby pink. Hers is more hot pink, but still reminds me of Sailor Moon, which I'm still a big fan of. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my glitter nails. First, I'm going to tell you what you guys need. The first thing that you're going to need is some Elmer's glue. You're also going to need some Q-tips. I threw all the ones that I had in here away. That was silly of me, but you're going to need some Q-tips or a small brush that you can use with this. Of course, you're going to need a base coat. In the video, I've already applied this, so I'm not showing you guys me applying the base coat. But this is a garlic growth base coat from Jordana, and I think that it works. You see how long these are? I mean, they're long enough. You're going to need your nail polish, whatever color you want. Today I'm using the Nina Ultra Pro nail polish in the shade Glamping. Preferably get glitter that has really fine flakes of glitter. Is that what you would call glitter? Flakes of glitter? Whatever you call it, make sure that all the tiny little pieces in there are very fine. Those are the ones that work best for this. And of course, a top coat of your choosing. The two top coats that I use are the Sèche Vive, I think that's how you say it. This is the Instant Gel Effect top coat, and I pair the Sèche Vite along with it. This is the quick dry top coat. Everybody who does their nails at home knows about this stuff. Awesome. It definitely dries down your nail polish super fast, and this paired with this makes it so that these last a very long time. I had the purple glitter nail polish on for close to 2 weeks and it did not budge. Oh, you're also going to need a pair of scissors and one of these little sponges. You can get a round one, you can get this little wedge one, whatever you have, whatever you can find, get it. You're just going to be cutting this into the pieces that you need anyway. That's everything, I believe. Now to get into the tutorial. The first thing you're going to do is get your Elmer's glue. You want to take out a little bit, just about a drop. That should be enough to cover all of your fingers with a light coat. What I do is I use a Q-tip and I just dip it in and apply it around my nail. If any of it gets onto your nail, just take the other side of the Q-tip and wipe it away. You're going to do this to all of your nails. This really just makes cleanup 100 times easier. I definitely think it's worth the extra 2 minutes or so of work. It's best to allow your glue to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Now that the glue is dry, you want to take the little white sponge and cut pieces off of it. I like to cut at least 4 pieces. You can also cut 1 piece per nail. Do whatever works for you, especially depending on your nail size. So now that you have those cut out, I'm going to take one of the pieces and I'm going to just brush my nail polish onto it. I do this in thin layers, about 3 times. Sorry, it was out of frame. What happens is the sponge sucks up all of the wet polish and you're left with a bunch of glitter. And then, let's move that to the side. All you gotta do is press the glitter polish onto your nail and you get really full coverage glitter. And you just repeat until you have your nail completely covered the way that you want. Now that I have all my nails covered in glitter polish, I'm going to apply a top coat. This is one of 2 top coats that I use. This is the, I never know how to say this, Sèche Vive. I think that's how you say it. I might be totally wrong. But this is an instant gel effect top coat. I apply a thin coat of this to each nail, making sure to cap the nail, which is basically just going across the top edges of them to make sure that nails are fully encased in this top coat. While this dries, what I like to do is take a metal nail file and just go around the edges of my nails to make sure that everything isn't getting stuck together and that it'll be easy for me to pull the glue off once I'm done. You could also probably use a toothpick if you don't have a metal nail file. Now that these have had a little bit of time to dry, I'm going to go over them again with the Sèche Vite. I always forget how to say this. I feel like I say it wrong all the time, but this is the fast dry top coat, and I'm going to apply this the same way I applied the gel top coat and make sure to cap the edges. The reason why I cap the edges is because this top coat tends to cause some shrinkage to nail polishes, and capping the nail prevents that shrinkage. My fingers are so chunky. Once this is dry, I'm going to start peeling away the glue, and to do that I just use my nail file once again and slowly peel it up. And then the pieces that are left over, I just scrape away. It comes off very easily. And that is how I paint my glitter nails. Alright guys, that's how I do my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. If it did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so if you guys stick around for those, because I would love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. And if you want to keep up with all the videos, don't forget to hit that little bell icon, either up there or down there. I don't know where it is, but if you find it, you should hit it so that you don't fall behind on all the videos I put out every week. I start talking really fast and I get tongue-tied. That's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!